Take everything we got, give it an honest shot, turning it on and off, we've been sliding, riding the highest dream, keeping the fire real. I call for you. Hold your gun, cut the wire, aim for fun, with a light to fire. I've been flying up the ceiling, taken by this feeling. Maybe we're invisible at last, fueling every engine, power is descending. Maybe we're invisible. I've been flying off the ceiling, and maybe we're invisible.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It's 8 o'clock here in the morning. Well, obviously, because I just said good morning, it's morning. We got to sleep about 1:45, 2. Dre said he fell asleep around 3. So you know how fast 7 o'clock comes on a Disney morning, but you do it anyway, right?
Yeah.
So we are probably gonna try to catch the bus to Hollywood Studios in about half an hour. Hopefully they're running this early. I have to activate my annual pass this morning. It's foggy this morning and our window is all condensed up. Is that how you would say it? It's got a lot of condensation on it.
Yeah, I think that's right.
So Dre says you can see Everest out there once the fog clears and the condensation clears on the window. Later I will show you. So we're just getting our shoes on, ready to start our day. Okay, we are at the Swan, actually. Ooh, we're at the Swan. We were gonna take a lift to Hollywood Studios, but they don't actually let you in the gate till 9:30 and the park opens at 10. So we got a lift from Coronado Springs to the Swan, and we're gonna walk. It's a pretty nice morning this morning, so we're just gonna have a nice little stroll. It's 10 to 9, so we're doing good on time.
Kind of see the Gran Destino from here.
Oh yeah, Gran Destino is just through there. Studios. Bag check was a breeze. You just take your umbrella out and walk right through the scanner, so that was really easy. It was about a 10-minute walk from the Swan over here. I got my annual pass activated, so everything went really quickly. So I worry about things too much. I was like stressing over getting here and then getting my annual pass activated and then getting into the park in time. It's just now 9:30. So we left Coronado Springs at like 10 till 9. So everything's done at 9:30 and we are just chilling out waiting. So we're over here by the dinosaur. That's Gertie over there. And then a nice little shaded bench. Look, there's Devin and Theo. Hi guys. So cool. Those are my boys. Okay, that was super cool. You're coming back. Where'd he go?
He was going that way.
Going that way.
That's awesome. I've never, that was close.
We totally just missed a flyby. I mean, it was like right there in the sky.
That was a Thunderbird,
cool.
right?
Yeah, that was the Thunderbirds.
The Thunderbirds.
Yeah.
So
They were like right over there.
that's Air Force Academy, right?
Air Force in general.
Air Force. That's so cool. I wish I would have caught it, but you can probably still hear them in the background. I don't know why they're doing a flyby today, but say hi to Devin and Theo.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, that was stressful.
I got it.
Like Devin got it. So we're in group 55, which is good. Luckily, Devin and I were both doing the thing, and Dre and Theo were taking the time.
We're on it. Yay, we did it.
Okay, that made me nervous, man. It should not be that nerve-wracking. So we're gonna go find some stuff to do.
Yeah.
We got some pretzels and we rode Runaway Railway, which was good. Everybody thought it was good,
It was
right?
really fun.
Yeah. So we're gonna go to Toy Story Land next. So what did you think of Runaway Railway?
I thought it was fun. I was really surprised that it was trackless. I had no idea.
Yeah, kind of surprised because you didn't watch any spoilers either, right? What was your favorite part?
The waterfall. Seeing when
Waterfall.
it went underwater.
I like that one too because it really felt like you went down.
Yeah, I was like, oh my god, we're moving, but we weren't.
Yeah. So we're in line for Slinky Dog. The nice thing about today is it's got a nice breeze. So it's I mean, it's warm, but it's not like crazy. Look, I have like this new hairstyle happening here. It's like
Nice. And I'm just curly.
So we waited in line for like an hour and 5 minutes.
Yeah,
and it
wasn't too bad.
said 90. So it was pretty good. So this one says 60. It's 11:45. So we'll see how fast this one goes.
He's the fastest drawer in the West. His pitches aren't very good, but he draws them real fast.
Maybe ham.
Ham. What is your guess?
Rick.
I was gonna say Rick. I'll say Bo Peep. Found a Tinkerbell in Galaxy's Edge. She's misplaced. She's in the wrong park. Okay, we're just waiting on our Oga's Cantina reservation. It's at 2:35. Luck would have it that and our Rise of the Resistance boarding group came up at the same time. So we asked the cast members and they said go to the Cantina first, because you have an hour to get on Rise of the Resistance after your boarding group gets called.
Just a few of them.
They said go to the Cantina, and then if you're past your hour, come back to Rise of the Resistance and just tell them you were at the Cantina, and they will still let you on. So that's good, because we were stressing about it. Well, of course, I was stressing about it just a little bit. I don't know if anybody else was.
I'm too tired to be stressed.
Dre's too tired to be stressed. Dre needs a nap. As soon as we get into Oga's, I'll show you around. Alright, I got a Jedi mind trick. Dre got an outer rim. I don't know what that is, but that looks pretty cool. Oh, that's good. Mine's grapefruit, something or other. Grapefruit, rose vodka, velvet, something, furlinum, blue curacao, white grape juice, lime juice, and grapefruit bitters. What'd you get? Outer rim. Dre's is tequila. Something aside liqueur, lime juice, cane sugar, black salt, an exotic fruit puree. Is it good? Do you like tequila?
I do now.
Okay. Devin, can I see? That's cool. What'd you get?
Carbon free.
Carbon freeze? Oh, Theo got the Tauntaun, didn't he? Theo, did you get the fuzzy Tauntaun? Yeah, you got the fuzzy. So we're in Oga's Cantina, and I look amazing. So we're sitting at the bar, and they've got us spaced out really far at the bar. Like, there's the next people closest to us, which is really cool. I actually am enjoying myself. I'm not the hugest big Star Wars fan, if you guys know us at all. But it's actually really cool. The drinks are really good. The atmosphere is really fun. So it's actually really cool in here. So I would come back. Devin's drink was super cool. Devin got a non-alcoholic drink that had like dry ice or something in it that was really cool. Theo got the fuzzy Tauntaun, which is the lip numbing one, and Dre got an outer rim, which is got like, it kind of tastes like a margarita. So we're just enjoying our drinks, having a good time. So yeah, it's pretty cool in here. I actually kind of like it. I think the little machine makes the dry ice. The Resistance line, by the way. I have had 2 cocktails, so if I slur my words, I apologize. It's not my fault. Kind of is, but not really. Do something wild before you croak. That's funny. Little Muppet stuff. Muppet faces and stuff up there. Cute. Look at the little like lights it's got. Like face and eyeballs. Googly. It's got googly eyes. Pirates of the Amphibian. That's funny. Star Tours. Dun dun dun.
Report back to ITS cockpit.
Crews, thank you for joining the calls. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Cara base secret.
Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
It's like moving from one room to another room. And it's very like official.
Good. Good. Airspeed sensor. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company!
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Whoa. This is intense. This is very intense.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
You're not authorized. Wait! Get over the prisoners! The operation is heading Mark 3.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
See you on left team. There they are! Fire! Take cover, recruit! If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pod's just below us! Wait, what are you doing? I said down, up is bad! Up is real bad! The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
mistake. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know. Scaffery's poppy.
Okay, I have to admit, that was cool.
That was the best. I love that.
That was cool. Even as a non-Star Wars person, I have to admit, that was pretty cool.
Well, Theo, as a Star Wars person, how did you like it?
Old canon person, I still like it.
As a what?
Old canon.
Okay.
Old expanded universe, the good Star Wars.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
He's a nerd.
Yeah, it was cool. So we are gonna go towards Tower of Terror, I think.
Yeah, Tower of Terror, Rock and Roller Coaster, either one of those two.
See what's going on there. Hi.
Hi.
We're back in our room. It is about 10 to 10. We are tired, yes. You can tell by my eyes. We ended up going to Olivia's at, where is it? Okay. Yeah, I'm tired. Yeah. Olivia's at Old Key West for dinner. It was really good. I decided not to film because we were tired and just wanted to eat and have a nice dinner. But it was very good. Actually, everybody liked what they got. I think Devin and I both had fried chicken, and Theo and Dre both had steaks, and like Theo thought his steak was amazing, which was really good. Did you like yours?
I did.
Okay. So yeah, it was good and actually pretty reasonable. I think for Dre and I, it was like $67. We didn't have cocktails because we had cocktails at Oga's earlier, and we were both feeling headachy from the cocktails in the sun. So you can see the reflection out the window. But we had a good day. Did a lot at Hollywood Studios. We were there until 6, I think. So yeah, I haven't had that long of a park day in a really long time. So we had a good day, got a lot of stuff done, got to ride Rise of the Resistance. It was really cool. So yeah, I think we're gonna wrap it up for today. We're just gonna chill out in our room for a bit, and
Sorry.
it's okay.
Wrong button.
We're just gonna chill out in our room for a bit and relax. So we will see you in the morning. Thanks so much for traveling with us. Oh, thanks so much for following along with us today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Ding the notification bell and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed our video. Right?
Right.
Right. All right. Thanks, guys. We appreciate you. Hope you're doing well, and we will see you tomorrow. Love you. Bye.